Gotta keep that money in the family, honey circle. So good to turn my neck. I stay down and finally got the shit jumping. Walk out drinking, now I'm counting.
I don't know what it is. I woke up today and I'm ready to get it. Like, I'm ready to get this bread today. Like, I'm in a good ass mood, listening to some good music on the way to work. I mean, today, like, stopped by Chick-fil-A again, as y'all can see. Today, I'm just all smiles. Grand Apple Baby, all smiles. I mean, K-Camp's dropping an album on Friday. I mean, it's gonna be a good week, you know? They just announced yesterday that everything's opening back. Well, gyms and barbershops and all that stuff's opening back up on Friday. You know, all the sit-down restaurants are open back on Monday. I got an appointment with my boy Steph on Monday to get my hair cut. Man, I'm telling you, I'm telling you, things are turning around. We're gonna get this bread now more than ever. Let's get on the grind. Let's keep it going. Daily vlog number 25. Man, ain't no better time than right now. Alex. I'm gonna put you guys on a little game today, just a little bit. So, this Mexican joint called Monterey's has the best chicken wings. It's a Mexican restaurant. Let me make sure you guys know that. And please, the sauce is pretty solid most of the time, but we found out today that you can get lemon pepper wings and mild mixed together. So, completely changed my life today. I was today years old when my life was changed.
Behold the greatness.
You gotta see in the glory. Hold on, let me make sure that it focuses so you guys can get. Look at that. Look at you got the mild, you got the lemon, you got the pepper, salsa and chips. Look at this. Get out of here. Oh my goodness. The lemon pepper from yesterday was good. Don't get me wrong. This is lemon pepper and mild. Whole nother game.
What's better, the lemon pepper hot or mild?
God damn.
You doing it?
Yeah.
So Jamaican or that?
Damn.
Look at his face. Look at the face. Face says it all.
Oh.
Which one? You gotta eat one wing for the rest of your life. Which wing are you eating?
That's just mean. You can't do that to anybody. You can't put that evil on anybody.
This is cheaper. You gotta go with this one.
Mm-hmm.
This one's cheaper.
And
This one.
And you get 2 more wings.
No, you get 4 more. You get 12. You only
that's
get
correct.
8 over there.
8.
8, and it's more
Can't be
expensive.
doing that.
So this one, you get more wings and it's cheaper, and you get 2 sauces. The fries are better.
Hey, you got
This is the move.
something on your
This-
beard.
this
He's like,
is-
I know.
He got it in his beard. Hey, it's the only way.
Oh.
All I'm gonna say about those chicken wings is, we eat good. That's all I'm gonna say. So today was kind of slow at work. Real quick before I forget, huge shout out to Matt. I think he left this in my truck, but it's mine now. So hashtag Bowtie Nation koozie. That'll probably replace the Bridgestone one that I have in my truck on my little knob here. Bam, just like that. We're sticking with the program, keeping with the 93 in the truck. It's up to 229 now, but I said we were gonna try it out, so we're keeping with the program, sticking with the concept here. I haven't noticed a huge difference from 89 to 93. There was definitely a huge difference between 87 and 89, but this is my second time putting 93, so hopefully the 93 will be completely in the system now. So this tank now will give me a real gauge on how it's gonna perform. And I stopped to get some wine for the girlfriend as well. You know, happy wife, happy life. So I've got good news and I've got bad news. The good news is we just went to Home Depot and bought, what is this? Spectricide weed and grass killer. So that, you know, crazy little weed that wanted to act like he didn't want to die the other day when we cut the lawn. He's gonna get it today. He is definitely gonna get it. We were gonna buy an apple tree, which I really wanted to do, and we probably will at some point, you know, screw the HOA, but we got some
Tell them how bad you are about spending $128 flowers.
Yeah, we spent $128. $128 on 2 flowers to go on the front of the house that, I guess really, you know, I made the argument that nobody's gonna see the flowers anyway, but I guess you guys are gonna see the flowers here in a second. But that's the good news. I haven't gotten to the bad news yet. But we'll get there in a moment. Just be patient, be patient. So here's my front door, my humble abode, my shoes that are out here, that have been out here for a couple days. Sorry guys. These are the flowers that we spent $128 on. So there's a little pinkish purple, or will be pinkish purple flower, and then a big white flower and some pots and stuff and some soil. So those are the famous $128 flowers that you guys are going to hear about from now until forever, and our huge little front porch right here. I mean, I guess it does look pretty good. It'll look pretty good once we get it all done. We got some dirt. Everybody likes dirt, right? But now it's time to say hello to Mr. Spectricide. So this is the where we'll probably put some flowers at some point, but this right here, this guy right there, yeah, you, I'm talking to you. This is him. And the good news is, look, this thing comes with like it's got like a holster on the side. Look, you can just like, I don't know how this thing works. Do you have to? Oh, he's gonna get it now. Look at it. Look at, oh, kicked into overdrive. Oh, we gonna get him. We are gonna get him. Gonna come to this side. Spray him. Spray that boy. As far as the bad news goes, I don't know if we're going to Daytona this year. I really don't know. It's kind of up in the air right now. I have more details, you know, as the days go by, as we get a little bit closer. But there's a couple reasons why I want to go, a couple reasons why I don't want to go, and there's just this whole coronavirus thing, a bunch of different stuff. I don't know, a lot of stuff, I don't know. We're thinking about it. Just make sure, stay positive. Quarantine's almost over. More truck content on the way. Like, this is a big moment.
Is it?
Yeah, I think.
Ooh, whoa, man, that sun caught me right in the eyes.
Or is he the first person that's ever been in the house, other than like your mom?
Hey.
Yeah, you're like I think you're the second person that's ever been in the house, ever.
Besides my mom.
Look at him. So what are we doing?
We're gonna slap some tin on these bad boys right
So,
here.
I did not know, I do now, I was today years old when I found this out, that we're putting pretty much a mirror tint on the windows. That looks like a mirror. I can see myself in the tent.
Exactly. Y'all
Can we
check yourselves out before you come in?
Can we put that on my truck?
No.
No?
No.
Dang it. It was worth a shot.
Only reason it's not as, like, whenever we have to heat up the material, it's not as stressful.
Oh, so this is strictly commercial.
Exactly.
Oh, okay, it makes sense now. Well, I'm gonna spend the next 30 minutes convincing Zach to try and let me put this on my windshield. And stay tuned for more truck content tomorrow. I'll see you guys later. Let's get the spread.